Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to create the Contact Us page. As you may recall, in the last video we created the main page. We didn't add any links, but we added all the content. So in this video, we're going to add the Contact Us page. First, we're going to create the file itself. Therefore, we go to Sublime. We click Save and write contactus.html as the name of the file. Then we save it in the same folder as the index.html is in, so the site folder. Let me remind you that you can't have spaces in the file names. That's why I used a hyphen. Okay, let's open the file and just copy-paste the basic HTML structure from here. We just need to add an end tag for body and an end tag for HTML. Then change the title to Contact Us. Okay, let's see what we need content-wise. As you see, first we have the link back to main page. We will take care of that a little bit later. First, let's do this element right here. It's the title that says Contact Us. So for that, we're going to use an h1 tag. Let's go ahead and align it to the center, so align center. Let's see. Perfect. Next, we want to add phone and email. We're going to add these two as two separate paragraphs. Here we have them. So we've got these two sets of paragraphs. And this one, we paste this here. Then, in the second one, we're going to add the email. Now these parts here, they're going to be in bold. To make these two words in bold, we wrap them in a strong tag. Alright, like that. Save and refresh. And there we have it. Perfect. Now this part here is a link, and actually it's a special kind of link. So if you're using your smartphone, when clicking on this, it's going to pop up in your Contacts app. Okay, how do we make it do that? There is a special way of doing that. First, we're going to wrap this in an A tag. And then here, for href, we're going to use a special kind of method. We're going to write tel, and then a colon, and then just a phone number. It's important to remove any formatting. Alright, then it's the same concept for email. So when you click on email, it's going to pop up in the email provider. But instead of tel, we're going to write mail to, then a colon, and then just the email address. Alright, let's see if it actually works. Let's go back to our page. And if we click on this right here, let's see what happens. As you see, it's offering to select an email account provider. So that's just what we needed. It means it works. Alright. Next we have this map. So let's add an img tag under these p tags. And for src, we're going to write the path to the image. So once again, we're going to the images folder and then map.png. For the alt attribute, we can just write map. Let's see if it works. There it is. But we need to align it to the center. Just to remind you, we can't add align center to the img tag. First, we need to create a p tag and then cut it out and put it here. And now, for the p tag, we can add align center. Alright, now it's centered. Perfect. We see that we got some spacing between the title and these paragraphs. So we can do this simply by adding a BR tag, which stands for break. So there are actually better ways to add spacing, which will be explained in the CSS part of this course. But for now, we're just going to use the BR tag, which will be sufficient for educational purposes. And as you see, it worked just as we wanted. So what do we have left? We have this link back to the main page that I said we would do later, right? So first, let's create a link that goes from the home page to this page. How do we do that? For that, we're going to wrap Contact Us in an A tag. And what do we write for href? Now we are referring to our own website. So for that, let's look at the structure of our website for a second. So here we have our main folder, Site. Inside of it, there are two files, index.html and contactus.html. And then it has another images folder. So we are basically referring from this page right here, index.html, to contactus.html. So they are next to each other. We don't have to go to any other folder. So basically, we can just write the name of this file itself. It's that simple. So href contactus.html. That's it. So let's save and see what happens. We go down here, click on Contact Us, and it took us to the Contact Us page. So that works. Perfect. Okay, now let's create a link from Contact Us back to our main page. So for that, we're going to add a p tag once again. And then inside, we add an a tag. And as the text, we're going to copy this back to main page. And for the href, we just write index.html, because once again, they're next to each other, in the same folder on the same level. So we're just referring from contactus.html back to index.html. That's why we just write index.html. Let's check it. Refresh, click on the link, and it took us back to the home page. Perfect. So now our links work. And this way we can go back and forth between these pages as much as we want. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.